And good luck, good luck. The best you bird, 5362 dice roll. 7 times. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ellen up top, C at the bottom. 7 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Crystal up top, Tyler Clapper at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Again, the best you early bird. There's your letters. Good luck, everybody. 5362. Here we go. Well, guys, Bowman's best you. Let's go, let's go. It's in a monster. In our pack. Starting off here with Cormac Ryan on the refractor. For the C spot, going to Tyler Clapper. For the B spot, Brandon Carlson, 5 out of 10 on the red. Nice card there, going to Tim. 5 out of 10, Brandon Carlson on the red. Color match. Got Mookie Cook, 29 out of 150. M spot. And Richard Ossenfort. Got Eric Dixon, 70 out of 99 for the E spot. Under Richard. To 75 for the D spot. 51 out of 75. Another one there for Richard Ossenfort. He's having a break. Devin Royal to 75. Miro Little. 52 out of 150. M spot. Richard Ossenfort again. Having a break. For Oregon, Kwame Evans, 30 out of 125 for the K spot, and Tim. Kwame Evans to 125. To 25, 16 out of 25. Layden Blocker for the L spot, going to Crystal Wells. On the orange auto to 25. Nice one there, Crystal. Got Tyrese Proctor, 81 out of 125 for Duke. T-Spot and Dylan Lewis. There you go, Dylan. And last card, going to the J-Spot. Orange, Justin Edwards. Greatness awaits. 17 out of 25 going to Casey Gibson. Do a quick recap here. Got Justin Edwards to 25. Tyrese to 125. Layden to 25. Kwame to 125. Miro to 150. Devin to 75. Eric to 99. Mookie to 150. And Brandon to 10. Again, best you bird in the books. That is the break. Appreciate the fill.